Good evening, guys. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? You all can use the chat box to give the answer quickly. Am I audible, guys? Is it clear? Started. Guys, someone has scribbled on the screen. Okay, perfect. Yeah. All right, guys. So first of all, guys, this is a sudden class which I put at the last moment. Reason we skipped a class now, guys, somewhere last Friday as we have to complete the small part of our seminar series. I had to complete, sorry, I had to cancel the class and do the what seminar series. So therefore, I canceled the class on Friday. So therefore, I thought of putting a class today and finish it off, guys. Because if I didn't do that at the last moment, there will be many works and but along with the other subjects, it will be difficult for us to what put this subject and cover it off. So that's it. Without further delay, I thought of putting a session and cover the what 2017 MCQs, and there was a remaining question in our last class from 2016 paper, if I am not mistaken. So I think last class we didn't do this question, right? So many people had requested for the recording also, as they have some other classes. As this is a sudden class, guys. This is not our usual day. Our usual day is Wednesday and Friday. Unfortunately, as we cancelled the class last Friday, I had to put a class today. So the ones who missed the class, I'll be providing them the what recording through what YouTube. So guys, without further delay, let's quickly start. So if I'm not mistaken, we are supposed to start off with 2016 seventh question, right? And then we will be moving on to what MCQ of 2017 paper, and we will be completing the MCQ as much as possible. I hope the message is clear, and can anyone give me the confirmation that we are supposed to start off with seven question, right? Can anyone give the quick confirmation? We are supposed to start off with the sixth question, right? Sorry, seventh question, right? Yeah, guys, just follow this properly. Like I'm going in a proper order without jumping here and there. Except the case study question, we are doing every question in every paper. So I'll be putting another session and doing all the case study from 2015 to 21. So make sure that you all also follow properly. Yeah, guys, recordings will be posted or uploaded to the YouTube. You all can check through the YouTube in case if you couldn't attend the live session. But I recommend you people to attend live session and just interact and do this session. Then it will be kind of what interactive session, guys. Rather, it could not be what boring for people, guys. In case if it is an emergency, go for the recording. Other than that, what just try to come for the what live session. Okay, guys. So without further delay, let's start quickly. So seventh question. It is 2016 paper, guys. Don't go and find it in 2017. It is 2016 paper. The last question which we couldn't discuss last class. I'm discussing it quickly. So in 2016 paper, guys, so we are supposed to start off with seventh question. We are supposed to start off with what? Seventh question. So let me write the answer for these questions here itself. For the income statement for the SOPL and SOFP, I'll be taking my what? Blank sheet. So can you all give me the answer, guys? So what is mean by asset? Can you all give me the answer? What is mean by asset? So assets are the what? Assets. Assets are the what? Assets are the resources. Assets are the resources that belongs to the business. Assets are the what? Resources that belongs to the business. Sorry. Yeah. Assets are the resources that can be controlled by the business organization as a result of past transaction from which future economic benefits will flow into the business is known as what? Assets. So assets are the resources that belongs to the business, belongs to the business, belongs to the business, and can be controlled and can be controlled and can be controlled as a result of what, guys? Can be controlled as a result of what? Can be controlled as a result of past transaction, as a result of what? Past transaction, as a result of past transaction from which from which from which, guys, future economic benefits will flow into the business outflow from which from which future economic benefits fu- future economic benefits will will flow into the business. Guys, this is the exact definition which is in the exact definition, but I don't think you all will be able to write the complete thing, but make sure to write the things as much as possible. So should write as what? Assets are the resources that belongs to the business and can be controlled as a result of past transaction from which future economic benefits will flow into the business is known as what? Assets. So these are simple definitions. Remember, guys, there will be a definite question from the definition for the accounting elements. Like they will be asking what is equity or what is liability, what is asset, what is expense, what is income. Kela. Definitely there will be a question. To be on the safe side, make sure that you all study the definition properly and what go for the exam. So guys, next one is what? Write to elements included in statement of financial position. Guys, can I know how many elements will be included in statement of financial position? Normally, how many elements we have? We have five accounting elements. No, guys. We have something called as assets. We have something called as liability, equity, income, and what expense. I'm not going to go in deep what is asset, what is liability. Kela. I hope you all know those things. But normally, how many accounting elements are there? There are five accounting elements: assets, liability, equity, income, and expense. Guys, but what's the problem out here is most people know what is asset, like what they know asset, liability, equity. Once after say I say asset, liability, equity, they will be saying income and expense, but they don't know under what it is coming. Am I correct? I hope many of you are in that situation. You all know asset, liability, equity, income and expense. You all don't know what it is. Remember, guys, it is what? It is accounting elements. Am I correct? How many of you all are here into that category? You all know asset, liability, equity, income and expense, but you all know it comes under what? How many of you all are in that category? Can I know? Yeah, now itself I got 7 replies. How many others? How many of you are into that category? You all are like, you all know what is asset, liability, equity, income, and expense, but you all don't know under what it comes. Remember, guys, don't be confused. Those asset, liability, equity, income, and expense means what? Those are accounting elements. So under the what, guys? Accounting elements, we have how many accounting elements? We have five accounting elements. What are the five elements of accounting? What? First one is what? Assets. First one is what? Assets. Second one is what? Liabilities. Third one is what? Guys, there is no proper order, okay? Equity. And fourth one is what? Income. And you have what? Expenses. So these are the what, guys? These are the accounting elements. So out of these accounting elements, what are the two financial statements we will be preparing? We will be preparing statement of profit or loss, and we will be preparing statement of financial position. So in statement of profit or loss, we will be in statement of financial position, we will be recording assets, liability, equity. In income statement or in statement of profit or loss, we will be recording the what, guys? Income and expenditure. So here they are asking specifically what, guys? They are asking for the statement of financial position. So I know what you all should be writing as the answer. Don't write as income and expense. It will be wrong. So your answer should be what? Either assets, liability, or what? Equity. Why? Because those are the things that should be recorded in what, guys? Statement of financial position. So don't go and write income and expense. That will be wrong. Reason? That is recorded in the statement of profit or loss. So they are asking statement of financial position. So if they are asking for the statement of financial position, make it as what, guys? Assets, liabilities, and what? Equity. What is, can you explain Tamil and English? Guys, I don't understand what you have asked as a question here. Okay. Yeah, that is fine. So those are the two. First, you can write as the answer was what, guys? Assets and liability expense. Please don't go and write income and expense, because that will be coming for the what? That will be coming for the statement of profit or loss. Second requirement, they are saying the number of members in Lakshmi Sports Associations are 120. The annual membership fee per member is how much, guys? Can you all wait? Let me raise it. If you all have the past paper book with all, can you let me know what's wait? It's 600. Yeah. Guys, I'll erase the. Make sure, guys. Can you all take a quick screenshot? Can you all take a quickly screenshot so I can take off these things? I'll give you all 1 more second. I hope you all took it. Let me erase off this. So for that question, answer should be what, guys? Income, assets, liability, or your answer should be what? Equity. Okay. So you can write any of that. Let me take it to my blank sheet, guys. Let me take it to my blank sheet. Okay. Now you all only going to say me the answer. Okay. Now you all only going to say me the answer. Okay. Guys, there's a question. So can you explain accounting in Tamil and English mixed? If you didn't understand anything, just let me know so I can just put a WhatsApp voice message or anything in Tamil. But the thing is, the like accounting, it will be difficult to explain in Tamil also. But make sure that if you didn't understand anything, just let me know. I'll try to explain you. But the thing is, we can explain. But the thing is, some of them might not understand when I use Tamil also here. That's the reason why I'm not using much Tamil or Sinhala here. But the reason is that some students will not understand those things. So that's the reason, guys. If if you didn't understand anything, just let me know. Okay, no worries at all. Okay, so here they're asking for the income statement. Guys, income statement will be prepared based on what and what? Income statement will be prepared based on what and what? Guys, now you all only going to say me the answer. Okay, now we discussed 2 to 3 papers. Okay, we discussed 2 to 3 papers. So in that I gave enough amount of explanation for everything what is needed. Now you guys are gonna say me what is to be like what you should take, and also just give the reply quickly. I'm getting somewhere around 28 student has replied. Others also, just make sure that you all reply without just seeing the screen and waiting. So I can put it over here as what? Income statement. I can put it over here as what? Income statement. So remember, guys, definitely there will be a question. Don't play these times. Definitely there will be a question. Study the things as it is and go for the exam. So income, and I can put it over here as what, guys? Income, and I can put it over here as what? Expenses. Now you all say me one by one what to take and what not to take. Okay, so do we take assets or liability or equity? No, because that will be not coming here. For the income statement, we will be taking only the income and what? Expenditure. So let's go one by one. See, the number of members in Lakmini Sports Association is 120. So just highlight, it is an important information. The annual membership fee per member is 600. So how can I get the annual membership fee? Total annual membership fee. How can I get? Total annual membership fee. Annual membership fee. So annual membership fee will be equal to how much, guys? How many members are there? 120 members are there. Per member they are charging 600. Can you all do the calculation and say me 120 into 600 will give you the answer how much? Okay, can you all give me the answer? Yeah, I'm receiving the answer. Is it 72,000? Yes. So 72,000 is what? Annual membership fee income. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Membership fee. Membership fee, which is equal to 720,000. Sorry, 72,000, right? I can put it here as what? 72,000. That is done. Next one is what? Membership fee received. Guys, membership fee received in the sense what? Annual membership fee is 72,000. Total membership fee itself they have received, right? So I don't want to make any adjustment. Guys, suppose say me, let's assume they have put a 70,000 here. They have put a 70,000 here. Under the income, will you take that? Membership fee received amount will you take if they have given 70,000, or will you take that 2,000, or will you all do anything for that? Remember, these are the questions they can ask. Remember, studying past papers in the sense like you all don't want to study the exact question. You all don't want to study the what exact question. Make sure that you all learn from the question. So if they have given us 70,000 or anything, you all don't want to take it. Why? Because are you preparing the receipt account? No, if it is receipt and payment account only, you should record received amount or membership received amount. So here you don't want to record the membership received amount or anything. Here you should take the total income and total expense for the period. So total income for the period is how much? 120 members are there. Per member should pay 600. Therefore, that will give you the total membership fee how much? 72,000. Next one is what? Maintenance expense of the ground. So from the word itself, you can understand, right? Maintenance expense means it is a what? Maintenance expense. It is an expense. So here you can put as what? Maintenance expense, which is how much? 12,000. So this is not needed to be taken. This is fine. Purchase of sports equipment. Guys, say me. Now you all say me. Purchase of sports equipment. Will you take it or not? Purchase of sports equipment. Will you take it or not? Purchase of sports equipment. Will you take it or not? Yeah, if we don't receive also, we will be recording in the income statement. Why? Income statement is prepared by total income and total expenditure, right? We don't see whether we have received it by cash or not. Remember, guys, purchase of sports equipment, we will not take, right? Guys, most of them are giving the answers, take it care. Guys, remember, purchase of sports equipment, isn't it an asset? Isn't it an asset? Purchase of sports equipment, isn't it an asset? It's an asset, right? So in income statement, do we state assets and all? No, right? Assets we don't take. We only take the income and expenditure. Therefore, I can't take this one. Therefore, I can't take what? Sports equipment. Next one, donation received. Come on, donation received is an income, right? Donation received is a what? Income. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Donation. Donation. How much? I can put as what? Donation 5,000. Why? Because it's an income for the organization. Next one is what? Next one, let's go one by one. Electricity charges, it's a what? Electricity charges, it's a what? Expense. So can I take electricity charges? Can I take electricity charges? Yes, right. It's an expense, right? So here I can put as what? Electricity. Here I can put as what? Electricity. Can I know the amount? Electricity, what's the amount? Electricity is also how much? 12,000. Electricity also 12,000. Next one is what, guys? See, expenses for refreshment. It is also an expense, right? So refreshment expense is how much? 6,500. So I can put it over here as what? I can put it over here as what? Refreshment, refreshment, refreshment expense is how much? 6,500. So refreshment expense is how much? 6,500. Next one is what, guys? Next one, purchase of loudspeaker set. Now say me, the ones who made the error here. Now you all say me, loudspeaker set, it's a what? Is it an income? Or is it an income or expense? Guys, if it is a purchase of stock or anything, we do record it under the like, we do record, guys. If it is a purchase of a non-current asset, we don't record. Just get it to head. Purchase of non-current assets will not be recorded because it's an asset, right? We record only the income and expense. So here also, if you are purchasing a loudspeaker set is an uncurrent asset. Therefore, it is an asset, right? Therefore, we don't take it to the income statement. Water bill is an expense 4,500. So I can take it as what? Water bill. I can take it as what? Water bill, which is equal to 4,500. Next one is what? Sports training expense. Sports training expense. Sports training expense is how much? 15,000. Guys, can you all get the total quickly? So this is what you all should take. You all can't take everything what you all need. Remember, only the income and expenses you all should take. Guys, please make sure that you all okay with the basics. Please make sure that you all okay with the basics. So guys, can you all give the total? 72,000 plus 5,000 will be equal to 77,000. And can you all give the total here? Can you all give the total here? 12,000 plus 12,000 plus 6,500 plus 4,500 plus 15,000. Can you all quickly give the total? Can you all quickly give the total? From one student, I received as what? 49,500. Guys, ACCTS means what? I don't understand that. What is mean by this one? A student is keep on asking. I'm not ignoring. I don't understand what is this. ACCTS means what? Are you referring to the assets? I saw those messages. I'm not ignoring. I don't understand what it is. Is it account? So is it assets? So like what are you referring? That's it. I'm ignoring. I don't understand that. If not, I could have replied that. You are referring for the assets. Assets means those are the resources that belongs to the business. Example like building, motor vehicle, cash, data, the resources that belongs to the business. That is what known as assets. Remember, I'm not ignoring any of your messages. either I would have not seen, or either I would have not understand how you have asked. So I didn't understand, like when you put ACCATS, I was wondering what it is. So that's it, I didn't answer. Okay. Uh, guys, next one. So some of you are giving different answers now, guys. What's the answer here? So answer is 50,000, right? Most of them have given the answer as 50,000. Is it correct? Yeah. So what is our total expenditure, guys? Total expenditure is 50,000. Therefore, 77,000 minus 50,000 will give you the answer 27,000. What is that 27,000? 27,000 is what, guys? Surplus. 27,000 is what? Surplus. Did you all understand the income statement? Did you all understand the income statement? Guys, there's a question, sir. Why can't we take the purchase of sports equipment? It is because it's an asset, brother. We don't take assets here. We take only the income and expense. So only income and expense when you purchase a sports equipment, that sports equipment and all will be coming for the what? Those are the things which is assets for the business, right? Those sports equipment and all, those are assets, right? Guys, remember, purchase is an expense. I am correct. Like you all are correct. Purchase is an expense. But purchase of an uncurrent asset will not make an expense, right? Purchase of an uncurrent asset means an uncurrent asset. Okay, don't complicate those things, guys. Just remember, if they say just purchase something, purchase is an expense only. But here, are they saying just as purchase? No, they are purchasing an uncurrent asset. So it is an uncurrent asset, right? So we can't go and record the uncurrent asset in our income statement. We can't record current assets also. We can't record assets, right? Remember, income and expense only will be recorded under the what? Income statement. Yeah, loudspeaker is also assets, right? Come on, you can use the loudspeaker for the more than a year, right? Are they purchasing loudspeaker again and again? Loudspeaker is an assets, right? Guys, did you all understand quickly for me to move on? Did you all understand? Guys, I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm just taking some time to explain, to put the things to your head properly. Yeah? Guys, remember, current asset or non-current asset or whatever the assets means, we don't take. Assets, liability, equity, we don't take it to the income statement. Simple as that. Okay? Guys, understood? Guys, make sure that you all are clear, okay? Exams are in 2 months, not even 2 months, just 45 days. Only income and expense will be taken to the income statement. We don't take assets or non-current asset or current asset. Whatever assets we don't take. Only income and expense will be taken. Assets, liability, equity will not be taken. Simple as that. Guys, let's quickly move on to the other question and finish this off. Okay. So we are supposed to prepare the what? We are supposed to prepare the what? Statement of profit or loss. We are supposed to prepare the what? Statement of profit or loss. Now the thing is, guys, I should draw the format again. Yeah. Okay, give me a minute. Let me quickly draw the format. Guys, can I know how the format will be? I'll draw both the format here itself, guys, where it will be convenient for me to write everything. Starting from what? Sales. Sales minus cost of sales. Okay. What is the formula for the cost of sales? Guys, don't memorize these things, sir. What is the formula for the cost of sales? Opening stock. Okay. Opening stock. For the opening stock, we will be adding what? We will be adding the what? Purchases. We will be adding the what? Purchases. Okay. And then we will be deducting the what? Closing stock. And then we will be deducting the what? Closing stock. So sales minus cost of sales will give you the answer what? Will give you the answer what? Gross profit. Will give you the answer what? Gross profit. So what is our main target of preparing the statement of profit or loss, guys? To find two types of profit. One profit is gross profit. The other one is net profit. Now we found the gross profit. From gross profit, how are we supposed to move on to the net profit? We should add the what? We should add the what? Other income should be added. We should add what, guys? Other income should be added. Other income should be added. And what are we supposed to deduct? We are supposed to deduct all the expenses. We are supposed to deduct all the expenses. Okay. Someone has just put a dot. If you all want to scribble or anything, I can give a time as in the seminar series. So you all can just scribble and finish it off. Okay. Expense. Okay. Guys, just make sure that you all don't put anything on the screen. So first one is what, guys? Administration expense. First one is what? Administration expense. Next one here I can take as what? I can take the what? Distribution expense. Distribution expense. Here I can take what? Finance expense. So if there are any other expense, I can take it later. Okay. So let me fill the table line, guys. So guys, drawing these things will only take time. I thought of drawing it and keep, but unfortunately I forgot it. Anyway, fine. And also, I hope you all can understand how difficult it is to draw a straight line. I can use something like this. I just now remembered it. Okay. And I can use it now. Guys, can you all see the screen? One student is like, can't see the screen now, it seems. Can you all see the screen? Guys, I hope you all can see the screen, right? If it is anything, yeah, can see, right? Maybe any connection problem from your issue, your side, just take it. Guys, and also I hope you all got the message regarding our seminar series. So in case if anyone is joining, you all can just contact me and give your details. So you'll be added to the group. Okay. Yeah. So what is the format here, guys? None, guys. You all please don't put non-current asset. I'm just putting for the time being. You all don't put non-current asset. So here I can put it as what, guys? Here I can put it as cost, accumulated depreciation, and carrying amount. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Current assets. Here I can put as what? Current assets. So here I can put as what? Yeah, I can put as what? Equity. Guys, and also in 2017 MCQ, seriously, there was some good question for all to learn many things. In 2017 MCQ, there was some good question for all to learn many things. I hope you all did that before the class. Okay. So here I can put as what? Non-current liability. And here I can put as what? Current liability. Guys, I hope by now you all are okay with the what? You all are okay with the what format, Guys, there are some questions for me to address. Let me go through that quickly. So what is the difference between receipt and payment account and income statement? Remember, receipt and payment account is prepared based on cash base. In receipt and payment account, actually the cash received amount and cash paid amount will be recorded in the receipt and payment account. It is more like a cash book. What do we record in the cash book? Cash inflow and cash outflow will be recorded in the cash book, right? Same like that. In a non-profit organization, the cash inflow and outflow will be recorded in the receipt and payment account. In income statement, we will be recording the income and expenses. Like we don't see whether we have received it or not. We will be recording what? Total income and total expenses will be recorded in the what? Income statement. So what is surplus? Surplus it is another word for profit. Okay. Surplus means it is another name for profit, and deficit means it is more like a loss. It is more like a loss. Okay. Um, okay. So you could have used Excel. Yeah, in Excel and all, like I don't think I can write as I want. That's the thing here. Okay. Yeah, I hope you all are clear. Okay. So if they give purchase of stocks, guys, they will not give purchase of stocks. They will not give you all purchase of stocks. Don't worry much. So here, guys, can you all know what heading is this? So what is this business, guys? Ravi's business. So I can put the heading also quickly. Make sure that you all put the heading. Yeah. Ravi's business. Ravi's business. Okay. Can I Ravi's business for the year ended 31st December 2015. 31st December 2015. Statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss. Okay. So here I can put as what? Ravi's business. Ravi's business. Okay. As at 31st December 31st December 2015. Statement of financial position. Statement of financial position. Now, guys, it's just a matter of doing the additional information. If you are okay with the additional information, you will be able to manage the other things properly. Why? Just here or there, you should just record it. So let's go come one by one, guys. First one is, guys, what? Closing stock is how much? 30,000. So you all know what closing stock should be recorded means what? It should be recorded in both SOPL and SOP by because they have given in the additional information. So this is a point for you all to remember. If they have given in additional information, you are supposed to record in both statement of profit or loss and statement of what? Financial position. So it's a negative figure of how much? 30,000. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Closing stocks as what? 30,000. So it's not a negative figure here. So you can just put as what? Closing stock how much? 30,000. This is the first adjustment you all should do. Next one is what? Machinery should be depreciated annually at 10% straight line method. So if the machinery should be depreciated at 10% on straight line method, guys, can I know what is the annual depreciation? Cost is equal to 150,000 into 10% will give you the answer how much? Will give you the answer 15,000. So this 15,000 is what, guys? This 15,000 is what? Annual machinery depreciation. So here under the administration, I can put machinery depreciation. I can put as what? Machinery depreciation, which is equal to 15,000. Machinery depreciation is equal to 15,000. So here under the non-current assets, I can put as what? I can put as what? Machinery, the cost is equal to 150,000. Now let me check. Now let me check. Do I have any? Let me check. Do I have any what? Do I have any accumulated depreciation for the machinery? Now let me check whether do I have any accumulated depreciation for machinery. Do I have any accumulated depreciation? No. So which means what? Annual depreciation itself will be considered as what? Total accumulated depreciation. So here I can put as what? A negative figure, which is 15,000. I hope you all are clear. Next one is what, guys? Next adjustment they are saying as what? Rupees 3,000 of debtors should be written off as bad debt. Now you all know bad debt is a distribution expense. So here I can put it as what? Bad debt. I can put it as what? Bad debt. What's the amount of the bad debt? Bad debt is 3,000. Bad debt is what? 3,000. Now you all know what data is a current asset, right? Data is a current asset. Data is a current asset. Now what's the data balance? Data balance is how much? Data balance is how much here? Data balance is 30,000. So out of that 30,000, we got to know that out of that 30,000, we got to know that what? 3,000 is considered as bad debt. So 30,000 debtors should pay. 30,000 what? Our debtors should pay. Out of that, we got to know that 3,000 is the bad debt killer from the additional information. Therefore, only the amount that will be received from debtor is how much? 27,000. So here for the debtors, I can only put how much? 27,000. Reason why? 3,000 is considered as bad debt. Guys, can everyone give me the confirmation? Did you all understand the first three adjustments? Guys, you all don't use short form. You all please write statement of profit or loss, non-current asset like that. Okay. Okay. Guys, carrying value I'll take later. Carrying value I'll take later. Okay. Carrying value I'll take later. Just I'm recording the amounts here and there. Later I will be taking the what? Carrying value. Okay, guys. So adjustment is over. Now what are you supposed to do? Just record one by one. So opening capital balance is how much? 500,000. So here I can put as what, guys? Here I can put as what? Capital, which is equal to 500,000. Capital is how much? 500,000. Next one is what? Opening stock is how much? 10,000. Opening stock is how much? 10,000. So here I can put as what? Opening stock is equal to how much? 10,000. Now just a matter of recording here and there. Okay, guys, there's a okay. Okay, guys, there's a question from a student. Can you explain the third adjustment? Third one is what? Rupees 3,000 of debtors should be written off as bad debt. Rupees 3,000 of debtors should be written off as bad debt. So what is mean by bad debt? Bad debt means the amount which cannot be received from debtor. Bad debt means what? The amount which cannot be received from debtor. So if you can't receive 3,000 from debtor, come on, it's a expense for your business, right? Therefore, I put as what? Bad debt expense is 3,000. Now, if you can't receive 3,000 from debtor, can you consider it as a receivable? No, right? You are supposed to receive total 30,000. Out of that, we can't receive 3,000. Therefore, only 27,000 we can receive from debtor, right? So, therefore, I have put as what? Debtor 27,000. Did you understand now? Guys, accrued means the receivable. Accrued accrued means payable. Accrued means it is payable. We haven't paid it. Okay, guys, what's the difference between administration expense and distribution expense? Administration expense means the expense which is taking place inside the business, or the expense which is taking place in order to operate a business is known as administration expense. Distribution expense means the expense which we incur in order to increase the sales. The expense which we incur in order to increase the sales is known as distribution expense, like discount allowed. Those things and all, we are trying to increase our sales rate. Those kind of expenditure will be coming under the distribution expense. Now, why are we giving the goods on credit, guys? Because it's a when we give goods on credit, people will purchase, right? Now when we try to give goods on credit and we got a bad debt of 3,000, therefore it is considered as what, guys? Therefore it is considered as what? Bad debt is a distribution expense. Next one is what? Purchase 280,000. Let me record quickly one by one and go. Purchase is how much? 280,000. Purchase is equal to how much? 280,000. Next one is what? Sales is equal to 350,000. Sales is equal to 350,000. Next one is what? Debtor balance we already adjusted. Creditor balance is how much? 13,000. So creditor is a current liability. Creditor is a what? Current liability, which is equal to how much? Can I know the creditor balance? Uh, Creditor balance is how much? 13,000. Creditor balance is how much? 13,000. Next, what do we have, guys? Next one, we have what? 15 percentage bank loan. Now, here only you should note a point. Here, they are giving you a 15 percentage bank loan, right? So, first, let me record this 50,000 as bank loan. First, let me record as what? Bank loan 50,000. First, let me record as what? Bank loan. Okay. First, let me record as what? Bank loan. What's the bank loan amount? Bank loan non-current liability amount is 50,000. Now, they have given a condition, no, guys. For that 50,000 bank loan, we are supposed to pay 15 percentage interest, right? Guys, this is where you all might go wrong. Just note down these points properly. When you have taken a bank loan of 50,000, you are supposed to pay 15 percentage interest. So what is the bank loan interest? Can you help me to calculate? What is the bank loan interest? We have obtained 50,000. We have obtained 50,000 into how many percentage per year we should pay as interest? 15 percentage. So can I know 50,000 into 15 percentage? What's the answer? Can I know 50,000 into 15 percentage? What's the answer? Can I know 50,000 into 15 percentage? It's 7,500. Now what you all should understand, this 7,500 is the annual bank loan interest. So what did I told you? Annual bank loan interest will be coming as what? Under the income statement. So I can put as what? I can put as what? Bank loan interest. I can put as what? Bank loan interest. Okay, I can put as what? Bank loan interest. What is the bank loan interest amount? Annual bank loan interest is 7,500. Now, for 1 year, we are supposed to pay 7,500 as interest, right? 1 year, we are supposed to pay 7,500 as interest. Now, let's see how much we have paid through the trial balance. How much we have paid by cash? We are supposed to pay 7,000, guys. Here, we are supposed to pay 7,000 for an year. But actually, bank loan interest, how much we have paid? Only 3,000 we have paid, right? From 7,500, we have paid only 3,000. Therefore, what is the accrued bank loan interest? Which means what is the payable bank loan interest? Payable bank loan interest is how much? 45, sorry, 4,500. So under the current liability, I can put as what? Bank loan interest, bank loan interest payable is how much? 4,500. Guys, are you all clear with this one? Guys, are you all clear with this one? Guys, these are important parts for you all to know, okay? If they have given that 10 percentage or 15 percentage, you all should adjust it. Guys, can I know, are you all clear? Can I know, are you all clear? These are simple adjustment. Yeah, I have received the answers also. Some people have sent me the answers also. Perfect. Now what you should understand, 15 percentage interest QM for the amount which you have taken 50,000 as bank loan, you should pay 15 percentage as interest. So 50,000 into 15 percentage will give you the answer 7,500. 7,500 is the what? This is annual bank loan interest. So annual bank loan interest, I can record it under the finance expense. So if you come along the trial balance, you can figure out 3,000 you have paid it by cash, which means you should pay 7,500. You have paid 3,000. Therefore, the payable is how much? 4,500, which is a current liability. So I can put it here as what? Bank loan interest payable is how much? 4,500. So if they didn't give any amount bank loan means how to do? Example, let's assume they didn't give this 3,000. Let's assume they didn't give this 3,000. That means you should assume whole 7,500 is not paid, and you should take that whole 700,000 as current liability. I hope it is very clear now. Next one is what? So bank loan adjustment is also over. Now land and building cost is 400,000. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Land and building. Land and building. Okay. The cost is how much? 500,000. Land and building cost is how much? 500,000. There is no any. Sorry, it is 400,000. Right? So I can put it here as what? Land and building is how much? Land and building value is how much? 400,000. Next one is what? Next one, administrative salary is how much? By machinery cost, we have already recorded. So administrative salary is 14,000. So under here, I can put as what? Salary or administrative salary. What's the amount of administrative salary, guys? Can I know what's the amount of administrative salary? Administrative salary is 14,000. So here I can put as what? Administrative salary 14,000. And next one is what? Next one is what, guys? Discount allowed 3,200. Why are we giving a discount? To increase our sales, right? Therefore, discount allowed also we can take it under the what? Distribution expense. So what is the total of the discount allowed? Total of the discount allowed will be equal to 3,200. Total of the discount allowed is 3,200. Next one is what? Discount received is 5,000. So we know discount received is an income. So I can put it as what? Discount received is equal to how much? Discount received is equal to 5,000. Discount received is equal to 5,000. Next one is what, guys? Next one is what? Rate is equal to 8,000. So rate I can take it under the what? Administration expense. Rate I can take it under the what? Administration expense as what? 8,000. And next one, finally, we have what, guys? Advertising and cash in hand. So advertising is 12,500. So I can take, why do we advertise, guys? We advertise in order to increase the sales, right? So here I can put as what? Advertising. Advertising is equal to how much? Advertising is equal to 12,500. Advertising is equal to 12,500. And cash in hand is how much? And cash in hand is how much? And cash in hand is how much? Cash in hand is 7,300. So we all know cash is a what? Current asset. So 7,300. Guys, now can you all quickly help me to calculate the values and finish it off quickly and move on to the next MCQ paper, because 2017 MCQ is really a good paper, guys. There are many things for me also to explain, for you all also to learn. So make sure that you all concentrate properly and what? Get that done. So can I know what is the amount of the cost of sales, guys? Can I know what is the amount of the cost of sales? Guys, rate in the sense are okay. Rate in the sense we can say rate in the sense for the building and all. Have you all noticed for the building and all they will be putting a rate, like for the building and all we should pay a kind of a rate, right? Therefore we consider it as a what, guys? Therefore we consider it as a Administration expense. Guys, did I miss rate? Guys, did I miss the rate amount? I have taken it, right? What is the rate amount? 8,000. I have taken it, right? I have taken the rate amount 8,000, right? So can you all give the answer quickly? 280 plus 10,000 will be equal to how much? 280 plus 10,000 will be equal to 290,000. 290,000 minus 30,000 will give you the answer 260,000. Give you the answer how much? 206. Guys, you all just calculate and let me know the answers quickly so we can do it. 260,000. So next one is what, guys? From 350, if you deduct the 260,000, 50 plus 40 will give you the answer how much? 90,000. So what is your gross profit? 90,000. Before that, can I know how many of you all did this question? And did you all got the answer 90,000 as gross profit? Yes. So this 5,000 I can consider it as a what? I can consider it as a what? Other income. Guys, the one who is asking what is asset killer, just remember you all have the exam, but within next 45 days, I already explained what is asset. In case if you need any explanation in Tamil, just drop me a WhatsApp text. I'll be able to explain you in Tamil. Okay, I'll be explain you all in Tamil. I don't want to use Tamil or anything here and explain you all. If you all want to know Tamil or anything, just let me know so I can just put a WhatsApp text. So I don't know the exact words also in Tamil, how to explain asset care. I know how to speak and all. I know I don't know how to put the words and explain in Tamil. So remember you are going to write the exam in English, not Tamil or anything. Okay. Next one, what is the total of the administration expense? Guys, can I know what is the total of the administration expense? 15,000 plus 14,000 plus 8,000. What is the total of your administration expense? 15,000 plus 14,000 plus 8,000 will give you the answer how much? 37,000. So I can put as what? Administration expense is how much? 37,000. So expense is a negative figure. I can put it over the bracket. So can I know 3,000 plus 3,200 plus 12,500 will give you the answer how much? 18,700 will give you the answer how much? 18,700. So here there is nothing else. Here there is nothing else. So I can just take that 7,500 over here. Now, what is the how to get the net profit, guys? How to get the net profit? Net profit can be calculated. How? Net profit can be calculated from 90,000 at that 5,000, 95,000. So from 95,000, just deduct the amount which they have given. So 95,000 minus 37,000 minus 18,700 minus 7,500 will give you the answer 31,800. So what is your net profit, guys? Net profit for the period is 31,800. Net profit for the period is how much? 31,800. Net profit for the period is how much? 31,800. Now what you all know, net profit is a component of equity, right? So I can take that 31,800 over here. I can take that 31,800 over here as what? Net profit. As what? Net profit. So remember to take this. If not, you all will not be balanced. So here is equal to how much? 31,800. So let me get the total. So here the carrying value amount will itself be how much? The carrying amount will itself be 700,000. Okay. Next one is what? 150,000 minus 15,000 will give you the answer how much? 135,000 will give you the answer how much? 135,000. So can I know 135,000 plus 700? What's the answer? 100 and sorry, it is 400, right? Sorry. It is not 700, guys. It is 400, right? So can I know 400 plus 135,000? What's the answer? It is 535,000. It is what? 535,000. Okay. Now next one is what, guys? So what is the total of the current asset? 30,000 plus 20,000, 27,000 plus 7,300 will give you the answer how much? 64,300. Will give you the answer how much? 64,300. You'll get the answer 64,300. Yes. Now in order to get the total asset, what you are supposed to do? Add the value of the non-current asset and current asset. So 535,000 plus 64,300 will give you the answer how much? Will give you the answer how much? 599,300. 599 what? 300. Very easy, no guys. Nothing difficult here, right? If you all just handle the question properly, you all can do. If you jumble and if you just scribble here and there, that then it will be a problem. So 500 plus 31,800 will be how much? 531,800. 531,800. Okay. So here I can put as what? Here I can put as what? Yeah, I can put as what? 50,000. I can put as what? 50,000. So can I know 13,000 plus 4,500 will give you the answer 17,500. Will give you the answer 17,500. Now, in order to get the total answer, what can I do? I can get the total, right? So how can I get the total? 531. Guys, I'm using a calculator. So you all don't use calculator, okay? Plus 50,000 plus 50,000 plus 17.5 will give you the answer how much? The exact answer which we received above 599 300. So 599 300. So it should be equal. So what is this, guys? This is my what? Total equity and liability. What is it? Total equity and liabilities. What is this? Total equity and what? Liabilities. Total equity and what? Liabilities. What is it? It is what? Total assets. What is it? Total assets. Guys, are you all clear? Guys, are you all clear? Shall we move on to the two guys? 2017 MCQ is really a good paper. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Guys, I think someone has scribbled over the screen. Just erase it. Okay. I can't erase it from my end. The one who has scribbled only should be able to erase it. Okay. Yeah, it is getting balanced, right? Both assets and liability should be equal to the sorry, both total of the assets should be equal to the equity plus liability. Guys, are you all clear? Guys, are you all clear? Yeah, wait, let me show the full thing. Wait. Yes, you all can take a screenshot now. Okay, I hope you all can see the screen, right? Guys, anyone, can I know who is that scribbling? I can't see the screen. That's the thing here. Guys, can you all see the scribbled one? Wait. Yes, okay. Wait. Guys, give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, the ones who need it, can you all take a quick screenshot for us to move on to the next part? The ones who need the screenshot, can you all quickly take it? Okay, right. I'll show the income statement also. Here, this is the income statement. Okay. Guys, I hope you all took it. I hope you all took it. So I'm going to stop the recording again and then restart again for the 2017 paper. Okay.